Yung pass. Balik kay Calvi for 3. No good. And that's a loose ball foul.
Holding down jersey number 6. Haldani Panawan, that is first personal foul. First team foul, Mananao.
So pass to Thompson against Andor. And great that's a foul on jersey number 77.
Holding down jersey number 77. Giovanni Andor.
And that's a turnover. And ito na, jersey number 11, diretso for 2. So it's Ben Ladin Saracanlao. His first basket of the ball game. So lamang dito Maranao. 1 point, 5 to 4. 3-pointer by jersey number 88. It's Makla. Jersey number 88. And Raybon Thompson with the rebound, and that's another foul on jersey number 77, Andor.
Foul jersey number 77, Giovanni Andor, that is a personal foul.
So Isik has the ball. Isik, pass to Asad with the jumper. That's short. Girmal Asad gets the rebound and tried to pass it to Tambuang.
Ball saved at RMT.
So RMT will keep the possession. Isik with the inbound. Isik. Inside pass to Asad. Asad jumper. No good. Raybon Thompson again with that for 2. And that's on Andor. And that's Andor, third personal foul. Raybon Thompson using his height and athleticism against Andor.
Warning for continuous complaining, jersey number 77, Giovanni Andor. Competition. On the drill for Raybon Thompson.
So Raybon Thompson will shoot the bonus free throw here. So lamang sila ngayon dito 10 to 4. And that's another 3-point play again for Team RMT. So 11 to 4 is the score. Sarcanlao. Calvi. Almost a steal. And a steal by Isik. And forward pass. Save here to the wrong guy. Ricky Sarcanlao. Sarcanlao. Inside pass to Pinto for 2. Well, a shot by Pinto. Okay, Asad fakes. Extra pass to Bambuang. And that's for 2. Calvi. Okay, Sarcanlao. Sarcanlao. Inside pass. Hindi tinira. Palawan. 3-point attempt for 3. Lots a miss. And Tambuang gets the rebound. Guarded by Sarcanlao. Forward pass ito kay Isik. Isik behind the back pass to Asad but lose the ball. Forward pass ito kay Sarcanlao. Against Tambuang. Sarcanlao! Almost an N1. So that's a foul. So that means 2 free throws here for Mr. Ben Ladin Sarcanlao. Sarcanlao missed the first free throw. And 2 misses for Sarcanlao. So Isik with the rebound. Isik. Pass ito kay Makla. Pass to Tambuang. Kick out pass to Isik. Isik guarded closely here by jersey number 30. Mirato. Isik banks it in for 2. 9-point lead here for Team RMT. Mirato. Sarkanlao drives. Floater for 2. Tambuang loses the ball. Kick out pass. Makla for 3. Overshoots. And Tambuang gets the loose ball. Shoots not so good. Mirato with the rebound. Mirato. Pass to kay Calvi. And that's a miss. Ito ibigay kay Asad. Asad pass to Braymon Thompson. Balik kay Asad for 2. So timeout speed code here for Maranao. And they are down by 9 points. We'll be right back after a short break.
Calling the presence of the owner of AAS.
So for 4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining, we're back to our ball game. So Maranao up here by 9 points. Calvi, inside pass to Pinto. Great pass to Palawan! And 1! That's a foul on jersey number 82. And this is instant replay here. Calvi, inside pass to Pinto. Extra pass to Palawan. And that's a foul on Gilmar Asad. Palawan missed the first free throw. Bonus free throw. So 7-point lead here by RMT. Ay, and tumba doon and a hustle play sana for and there's another foul given up again by the team RMT. So they're not yet in the penalty. Palawan yung inbound ball because kay Calvi. Kay Sarkanlao. Balik kay Calvi. Calvi itong Mirato. Shoots for 3. That's a miss. And rebound here by Makla. So Isik, pass to Braymon Thompson. Extra pass kay Asad, but that's a turnover. Balik ang bola sa Team Maranao. Calvi with the rebound. Pagi sa Sarkanlao. So Mirato. Sarkanlao, balik kay Mirato taking 3. Stop up jumper. That's a miss. Loose ball. Pick up by Isik. Isik, forward pass ng Braymon Thompson. Plus, extra pass to jersey number 8. So, Mr. Makla. Palawan. Extra pass sana for Pinto and loses the ball. Sarkanlao recovers the ball. Kick out pass. Calvi for 3. Overshot. So yun, that's another foul. And that's on Mr. Palawan.
Holding foul jersey number 6. Hamzani Palawan. That is second personal foul subdivision. Being dispatched for 5th.
So it means 2 free throws here for Mr. Braymon Thompson. First free throw is no good. And second free throw is good. So 20 to 10 is the score. 10-point lead here for RMT. Three-point attempt here, and that's good for jersey number 7 for Mr. Monte. And that's a foul on jersey number 8. And bouncing in for jersey number 8, and that's a 4-point play here for Marantay. For Maranao, so the lead's cut down to 6. So Barama. Pass ni Makla kay Barama. 8 extra pass to jersey number 34 for Joe. Sarkanlao. Kick out pass to Mirato. Thinking 3. Great defense by Braymon Thompson. Pinto, floater, it's good! 7-point lead. Constancia forward pass. Reverse, and that's a foul, and that's on Palawan. That's his second personal foul.
Well, jersey number 6, Hamdani Palawan, got his third personal foul. He jumps for jersey number 34, Rufina. South Station.
Free throw is good for jersey number 34. So balik sa 7 na lamang dito ng RMT. And that's short. So bola muna sa team Maranao. Sarkanlao. Kahit ito kay Monte. Monte jumper. That's a miss. Loose ball. Pwede ni Constancia. Forward pass ito kay Brahama. And that's good. 9-point lead here for RMT. Sarkanlao para kay Mirato. Pinto for 3. Overshoots. And Braymon Thompson gets the ball. Braymon Thompson gets Sarkanlao. Braymon Thompson, extra pass. Kick out pass. Constancia for 3. That's a miss. And Barama gets the rebound. Kick out pass. Constancia, pass dito kay Barama. Stepping on the line, jumper. And that's a miss. And Monte with the rebound. Sarkanlao, binigay dito. Setting up the play here for Team Maranao. Inside pass ako. Huling-huli yun. But ball stop. 15 seconds to shoot for Team Maranao. And that's a bad pass there. And a steal by Braymon Thompson. Thompson for 2. 27-16 is the score. Mirato shoots for 3. And that's a miss. And rebound here by Barama. Constancia. Jersey number 9. Musa. 3-point attempt here. And that's short. And Mirato with the rebound. 3 seconds to shoot. Mirato long hit. And it's good! And what a shot there by Mirato, and cutting the lead down to 8 points, 19-27. And we'll be right back after a short break. And we're back now to our ball game. We start off our second quarter with Maranao down by 8 points against the RMT. Thompson behind the back pass. And that's a turnover. Balik ang bola dito sa Team Maranao. Kapatagan. Dito kay Calvi. Calvi. Kick out pass to Monty. Jumper. No good. Loose ball and pick rebound here. Constancia with the ball. Extra pass. Side pass to Thompson. Oh, great pass. He could have shot it. Just number 9 for 3. That's a miss. Offensive rebound. Number 99 for 2. It's Maputol scoring. Great pass there. Bonus free throw is good. So balik na sa 10 points sa lamang, 11 points ang laman ng RMT dito. 32-19. Calvi, reverse layup. That's a miss. And great rebound there. And but stolen here by Calvi. Still Calvi. Kick out pass to Monty. Ditinira. Calvi. Mirato. Jumper. That's good for Mr. Mirato. Constancia. Balik Constancia. Drives. Extra pass. Kick out. Wide open is jersey number 34. And that's a miss. Constancia flips it up for 2. Jersey number 9. Power movement. Great block there by jersey number 34. Constancia. Inside pass. Jersey number 2. Block there by jersey number 9. But there's a foul. So that's on jersey number 9. Kapampangan. So that means 2 free throws here for jersey number 34. So Andor is back in now in the ball game. First free throw is good for jersey number 34. And that's a miss. So balik ang bola sa Team Maranao. They're down by 12 points. Calvi. Ito kay Amiril. Balik kay Calvi. Amiril. Wide open for 3. That's short. And jersey number 19. Like Maputol. What a shot. Inside pass to Pandor to Calvi for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Great top defense from Pandor. Mirato. Pass to Kapampangan. Overshoots. And ball goes to Team RMT. So timing with 6 minutes and 42 seconds sa ating first half. So great offense here and defense for RMT. Great jumper there. But that's a miss. So balik ang bola sa Team Maranao. And that's a foul. And that's on jersey number 2. Ito si Thompson.
Pushing foul, jersey number 2, Thompson. That is first personal foul. 2 shots for Hamzani Palawan.
First free throw is good for Mr. Palawan. Two for two for Mr. Palawan. Three-pointer by Distancia. No good. Loose ball. Rebound by Maputol. Still Maputol. Block by Confandor. Ito, forward pass ito kay Mirato. Mirato for two! And a 4-0 run here by Team Maranao. So the lead is down to 10 points. Distancia. Pass ito kay Maputol. Balik kay Distancia. Pass to Maputol. Kick out pass. Send pass to Thompson. That's a miss. Rebound by Kapampangan. Forward pass ito kay Calvi. Calvi. Diretso pass to Mirato for two. And a 6-0 run here by Team Maranao. The lead is cut down to 8 points. 35 to 27 is the instant replay here. Calvi with the extra pass to team kay Mr. Mirato. Back-to-back instances yan, ha? For Mr. Mirato. So slowing things down here. Maranao cutting out the lead to 8 points. So babalik tayo to a short. Great pass there. Back to our ball game. So Maranao make a run here. 6-0 run. Maputol flips it up. And that's a miss. And ball stays with RMT.
RMT with 12 second shot left.
Three-pointer. And that's a miss. Kapampangan with the rebound. Forward pass naman dito kay Mirato. Luckily, natap yun. So Mirato has the ball. Kaya dito kay Calvi. Class 2 Kapampangan! For two! And one! Is the instant replay here. A great pass there to the running Kapampangan down the lane with an N1 situation. And he makes the free throw and the lead is cut down to 6 points, 29-35. No, 5 points na lang, 35 to 30. Maputol for 3, that's a miss, and Candor with the rebound. Calvi forward pass dito kay Palawan. Palawan, great job there by Distancia. Almost a steal there. So jersey number 17 will sub in for Distancia. And that's Mr. Kale. Calvi has the ball. Inside pass to Kapampangan.
Only foul jersey number 94, Nick Kuzin. That is first personal foul. 13 foul, RMT.
Andor. Ganito kay Mirato for 3. Bang! Mirato is on fire in this quarter. The lead is cut down to 2 points and a turnover for RMT. And Maranao will have the basketball a chance to tie this ball game. It's a replay here. Mirato 3-pointer. Ito, Mirato na naman. Ito kay Palawan drives. Palawan medyo, nako. Munti ka pang na-turnover. Kim Kusin is already in the ball game. 12 seconds to shoot here. Calvi. Pass ito kay Mirato. Back to Calvi. Jump floater. And there's a foul. And that's on jersey number 34. So Mr. Enoch is called for a foul. So 2 free throws for Mr. Calvi. Now short sa first free throw.
At the line, shooting
And free throw by Calvi. So Enoch is sub out with Mr. Gilmar Asad. So 1 point lead na lang hinahabol ito ng Team Maranao on against RMT. Forward pass to Kim Kusin. Great move and almost an N1. And that's a foul on Mr. Kapampangan.
jersey number 9, Nasrul Kapampangan. That is second personal foul. To jump for Kim Kusin.
And first free throw is good for Mr. Kim Kusin. So 2-point lead only for RMT. Mirato. Oh, and that's a bad pass. And a steal here. Maputol, dire-diretso, Maputol against Calvi, and almost an N1 for Mr. Maputol.
Foul jersey number 4, Aaron Calvi. That is first personal foul. 2 shots for Bayan Maputol.
Calvi, pass to kay Palawan, and a steal on Asad. No foul is called. Kali has the ball. Kali stop up 3. Wide right. Great save by Asad.
Full save at RMT. With 14 on the shot clock.
Asad will inbound the ball. Pass dito kay Makla. Ito kay Kali. Maputol. Makla for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Great tap by Asad. Kim Kusin. Pass ito kay Kali for 3. No good. Andor with the rebound. Pass ito kay Mirato. Mirato. Guarded closely here by Kali. Bigay dito kay Calvi. Calvi. Pass ito kay Pampangan. Pass to Andor. And 1! And a chance to take the lead here for Maranao. Tabla tayo at 36 all. So Andor, a chance here to take the lead here for Maranao. And he does! Substitution be made here. Makla is sub out here for Brahama. Kali has the ball. Pasok kay Maputol. Balik kay Kali. Brahaman. Asad. Pass dito kay Kali. Balik kay Asad. Inside pass to Kim Kusin. No good! Great defense by Andor. And Calvi has the ball. Calvi dire-diretso. Pass dito kay Palawan. No good! Kali with the rebound. Forward pass dito kay Maputol. Dito kay Pampangan. Great defense. Maputol, and that's an offensive foul. Great defense by Mr. Kapampangan. making himself big. Now, balik tayo sa Maranao team. Lamang sila ng single point dito. Mirato for 3. That's a miss. Great tap by Andor. Loose ball. Who gets the ball? And Maputol has the ball. Maputol. Pass ito kay Brahama. Great defense with Mirato. Brahama, no good. Offensive rebound by Maputol. And who's foul? And that's on Calbe.
Holding now jersey number 6. Hamdani Palawan, that is fourth personal foul.
So it's Palawan is called for a foul, and that's huge. That's his fourth personal foul. So both big man of the Maranao team, Andor and Palawan, is foul trouble. We're still in the second quarter with 1 minute 17 seconds remaining. Time is being called here. We'll be right back after a short break. And we're back at our ball game. Asad will shoot 2 free throws here. So Asad ties the ball game with 1 minute 17 seconds remaining sa ating first half. And 2 for 2 for Gilmar Asad. And Janjan Makayong is already in the ball game for Gilmar Asad. Ito, isa rin tong workhorse defensively to si Janjan Makayong. And a steal! Rahama, Kali. Great layup there for 2. So ito na, the miscommunication there for Team Maranao. They're down by 3 points agad. Calvi has the ball. Ito kay Monte. Sit pass to kay Kapampangan. Kapampangan spins. Kapampangan, no good. Loose ball. Maputol has the ball. Dito kay Kali. Almost a steal by Morato, and a steal! Monte! Forward pass dito kay Calvi! Calvi for 2! Maputol. Dito kay Kali. So 1 point lead here for RMT. Pass dito kay Makayong. Dito kay Maputol. Barama for 3! Bang! And a steal by Maputol! Maputol! No good! Gets his own miss. Still Maputol for 2! 5-0 run by RMT, and the lead is 6 points. And that ends our first half with a score of 39-45. RMT leading by 6 points over Maranao. So we'll be right back after a short break para sa ating second half. Stay tuned. And we're back now to our exciting ball game. Final game for today for our Ramadan Basketball League 2026 by the City Mayor's Office in partnership with the Davao City Muslim Affairs Office. And this is Chris Escaran, your game anchor for this tournament. So Jan Lumugda is already in the ball game now for RMT. Lumugda, a steal here, almost a steal there by Calvi. Lumugda, what a pass! Extra pass to Enoch. There's a block. Makayong block by Andor. Makayong has the ball. Kick out pass to Jan Lumugda. Fakes. Lumugda stole by Calvi. And that's a foul on Jan Lumugda.
Lucky foul, jersey number 5, John Lumugda. That's the first personal foul. First team foul, RMT.
Ibrahim is in the ball game now as well for this Maranao team. Calvi along with Mirato, Ibrahim, and Andor, along with Amiril. Number 4 for 3, that's no good. And Andor with the rebound. Andor, power move. And that's stolen here by Makaayong. Isik has the ball. Isik, kick out pass to Lumugda. Lumugda! And that's a foul. And that's on Mr. Mirato.
Lucky foul, jersey number 13, Mike Kiraato. That is first personal foul. First team foul, Maranao. You jump for John Lumugda.
Jan Lumugda makes the first free throw. Second free throw is good for Jan Lumugda. So the lead is ballooned now to 8 points, 47-39. So that was really huge run there by the end of the second quarter. Yung ginawa ni Mr. Maputol. Ibrahim, great pass. Almost a steal. Great. Another steal, Makayo, and that's foul. So ball stays with RMT with 8 minutes and 29 seconds remaining.
That is first personal foul. Second team foul, Maranao.
Barama, jumper. That's wide right. And that's a miss. And Mirato with the ball. Bigay dito kay Calvi. Pass ito kay Mirato. Pass ito kay Andor. Balik kay Mirato. Thinking 3. One dribble jumper. That's a miss. And great rebound din by Barama. Ito kay Jan Lumugda. Bigansky ni Makaayong. Lumugda. Fakes. Inside pass. Great defense here by Maranao. Kick out. Makaayong. Balik dito kay Isik for 3. Almost. And Enoch taps it out and balik ang bola sa Maranao team. Calvi for 3. Almost in and out. So Jan Lumugda gets the rebound. Lumugda serving the floor. Trying to inside pass to Brahayama. Pass to Makayong. One leg jumper. It's good! So that's Jan Makayong. Inside pass. Almost stop by Isik, but great defense by Enoch. Makayong, 4 pass ito kay Lumugda. And great recovery there by Mirato. Lumugda, pass to Fandor, forward pass ito kay Mirato against Isik. Mirato for 2! Eto na. Mirato is already nagigising na naman si Mirato dito in this quarter now. 6 minutes 46, they're down by 8 points. Oh, nawala si Enoch! And that's for 2! Calvi. Kay Ibrahim. Ibrahim. Kick out pass. Mirato. One dribble 3-pointer. No good. Rebound by Makaayong. Forward pass ito kay Lumugda. Lumugda lumipad, but that's a miss. Great defense by Calvi. Pass ito kay Ibrahim. And that's a foul. And that's on jersey number 5, Janjan Lumugda. So Makayong will be sub out here. Jumper no good. Palawan with the rebound and it's good. Zone defense supply here by Maranao. They're down by 7 points. 8 points. 3-pointer. No good. Great top there. Almost a steal. Pass ito kay Andor. Pass ito kay Calvi. Calvi. Serving the floor. Pass ito kay Mirato. Jumper is good! 4-0 run now for Maranao team. 6-point lead for RMT. Isik. Kick out. Barama. Pass ito kay Lumugda. Inside pass. Block by Andor. And save to Calvi. Calvi. Pass ito kay Palawan. Pass ito kay Mirato. Overshoots. Naku, stepping on the line. Sayang. So Kim Kusin is in for Mr. Enoch.
Jersey number 34, Enoch.
So 5 minutes remaining sa ating third quarter. 45-51 is the score. Isig. Labas dito kay Barama. Great defense. Makla. Balik kay Isig. Great defense by Calvi na naman. Makla. Kick out pass. And huli yan ni Mirato. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation. So Barama is sub out for Mr. Gilmar Asad. Palawan. Pass ito kay Calvi. Ito kay Monte. Wide open for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Ito na Janjan Lumugda, who still scoreless in the ball game. Pass ito kay Asad. Kick out. Isik. Drive. And that's a foul. Ito, nahuli doon si Baulio. Tinulak si Isik. And sa loose ball, balik tayo dito sa ating ball game. So Maranao has the ball. They're down by 6 points. Monty, balik kay Calvi. Ay, naku, that's a travel. So balik ang bola dito sa RMT. Isik. Lumugda. Makla for 3. That's in and out. And Asad cleans it up for 2. And that is really his money. So si Gilmar Asad, you can expect him get those 50-50 balls and offensive rebounds. Palawan to Calvi. Kick out pass to Monty. Inside pass. Loose ball. Monty still gets the ball. Monty for 2. Ito, Lumugda. Tatlo agad nakabang nung kay Janjan Lumugda. Hindi pinilit. And that's a foul. And that's on Baulio. So, Isig is being sub out here by Distancia. So 6-point lead still for RMT. Distansya ito kay Asad. Yes, dito kay Janjan Lumugda. Kick out pass to Makla, wide open for 3, and that's a miss. Muntik na gagawin sa rebound doon ng Team Maranao. Palawan has the ball. Kay Tokim. Calvi. Great inside pass to Baulo. 4-point lead na lang. 49-53. Lumugda has the ball. Gianaskin is Asad. Lumugda. Inside pass to Kusim. Kusim against Andor. Blocked by Andor. And that's a foul on Gilmar Asad.
Holding down with the number 82. Gilmar Asad is third personal foul. 14 foul RMT.
Ay, chance here to cut down the lead here na naman for Maranao team. They're down as much as 8 points. Calvi. Kaya dito kay Palawan. Pass to kay Calvi for 3. No good. Rebound by Andor. Andor and 1! The lead is now cut down to 2 points. And is the instant replay here. Andor from foul, almost fouling out in the first quarter. Ito, gumabawi si Andor. Since simula, bumalik siya no second quarter. He's really a vital for his team. Ito si Andor. But misses the bonus free throw, so they're still down by 2 points. 53-51. Distansya. Ito kay Lumugda. Naskin ni Asad. Lumugda. Pass to Distansya. Did not shoot the 3. Finally, decides to shoot. And that's Lumugda gets the rebound and still good pa kasi hindi pa tumama sa likod ng ring. Monte, 4-point lead. Palawan. And great steal by Janjan Lumugda. You can dribble the ball in front of him. He's too good for that. And ako, foul doon si Baulo on Janjan Lumugda. Is the instant replay here. Nakala na, tapos na yung play doon. So you can do that on Janjan Lumugda, especially dribbling in front of him. Diyan siya binabayaran para maglaro si Janjan Lumugda. His hustle play along with itong Gilmar Asad. Distansya. Kahit itong Janjan Lumugda. Great defense. And Baulo dives the ball. Still, Lumugda has the ball. Lumugda decided to shoot. And ako, that's a travel. He did not pass the ball there. So 4-point lead still for RMT. Palawan. Pass to kay Calvi. Pass to kay Monte. Ditinira. Balik kay Calvi. Calvi drives. Nakawala si Calvi for 2! 2-point lead na lang hinahabol dito ng Maranao. RMT has the ball here. Janjan Lumugda. Bigyan ng screen dito ni Enoch. Lumugda. Corner pass to Makla. Balik kay Distansya. Great man-to-man defense applied here. Switch. Tira may Distansya. No good. Enoch gets the offensive rebound. Enoch. And ako, that's a 24-second shot clock violation na naman. Distansya is asking for a foul. No foul given. So 15.7 seconds remaining. Last shot dito for Palawan. Diretso. No foul scored. 7 seconds. Lumugda has the ball. Lumugda diretso. Pass dito kay Distansya. And 1! I think that's a bad decision on Palawan. Pwede na silang itira yung last shot pero bumalik pa ang bola dito sa kabilang court. And eto na, Distansya converting a 3-point play here. 0.7 seconds remaining. What a great ball game mga kaibigan. Both teams walang gustong magpatalo. The Distancia converts the free throw and the lead is back to 5 points. Calvi, long heave, and that ends the 3 quarters with a score of 58 to 40, 53. 5-point lead by RMT over the Maranao team. So we'll be wrapped up by a short break para sa ating 4th and final quarter. Stay tuned. And we're back now to our ball game. We start our 4th and final quarter. So RMT leading here by 5 points, 58 to 53. Kusin, kick out pass to Barahama for 3. No, it's a miss. Mirato has the ball. So balik na si Mirato ito after a short rest. Pampangan. Pass dito kay Andor. Dito kay Mirato. Dito kay Sarganlao. Almost a steal there. Sarganlao. And that's completely steal. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation. So ito na. Full force na dito ang RMT. With Braybon Thompson back in the ball game. Along with si Maputol, Janjan Lumugda, at saka si Distancia. Pass dito kay Maputol. Kick-out pass kay Barahama. Yaski ni Lumugda, balik kay Distancia. Braybon Thompson. Thinking 3, drives. Thompson, pass to Maputol. Wow! What a move, but that's a miss. Still, Maputol gets his own rebound. Maputol, no goal. Great box out there by Kapampangan. So 5-point lead only here. Ganito kay Palawan against Braybon Thompson. Palawan, no good. Great defense. Maputol. Pass ito kay Barahama. Lumugda. Kick out pass. Barahama for 3. And that's it's a 2-point only. So picking a foul for si Barahama doon. There's been even no warning. So just a 7-point lead. 3-pointer. That's a miss. Andor gets a rebound. No good. Loose ball. Ball stays with Team Maranao. Kick-out pass to kay Andor. Ako, foul doon si Maputol. Calvi is back in already. So they can't afford na lumayo dito ang RMT. So they're down here by 7 points. So Calvi Mirato is in the ball game. Along with Kapampangan, Palawan, at saka itong si Andor. Baki Mirato shoots for 3. And that's wide left. So that's a miss. So balik ang bola sa Team RMT. Lumugda has the ball. And a steal! Bad pass there by Lumugda. And almost a bad pass naman by Andor. Forward pass dito kay Mirato. Pass dito kay Calvi. Calvi drives. Kick out pass. Mirato. Balik dito kay Kapampangan. Tumilabot over. Kapampangan. She lost the ball. Kapampangan. And there's a foul. So So that means 2 free throws here for Mr. Kapampangan.
Jersey number 9, Faisal Maputo, that is third personal foul. Second team down, RMC. Good shots for Nasor Kapampangan.
So first free throw is good. Layup no good, and Mirato now has the ball. Mirato against Distaja, pass ito kay Palawan, and that's a foul na naman, give it up by RMT. So a chance here to cut down the lead. So free throws has been crucial here now for Maranao team.
Jersey number 8, Josam Barama, that is third personal foul. Substitution. Ilma Hazard for Josam Barama. Good shots for Hamdani Palawan.
So Palawan will shoot 2 free throws here. And it's good! So 55 to 60 is the score. I mean 61 to 55 is the score, 6-point lead. Andor, great defense on rebound, Thompson. So balik ang bola sa Maranao team. So 56 to 60, 4-point lead na hinahabol dito ng Maranao team. Pass ito kay Palawan. Palawan spins. Palawan! No good! Ang Pampanga sa rebound. Papampangan! It's good! Over the defense of Raymond Thompson. 2-point lead na lang. Hinahabol dito ng Maranao team. Isik. Dito kay Maputol. Balik kay Isik. Long 3. That's amazing rebound by Andor. Pass ito kay Calvi. Calvi, pass ito kay Palawan. The bulldozer, there's a foul. And that's on Asad. So they're not. No penalty yet. So sa baba lang yung ang tawag. So that means baseline inbound lang for Maranao. Calvi. The ball. Ikapass ito kay Andor. Pass ito kay Palawan. Pass ito kay Calvi. Wide open for 3. Bang! Maranao takes the lead. 61 to 60 is the score. Grabe, napakagandang ball game mga kaibigan. What a final game mga kaibigan. Lumog the drives, lumog the scores. Almost 11:32 na, and Mirato almost loses the ball. Mirato throws it out, and that's a turnover. He needs the instant replay here. What a setup there by Palawan to the wide open Calvi for 3. Nothing but net yan for Mr. Calvi. He's the instant replay. Nothing but net yan for Mr. Calvi. So there's a timeout being called here. We'll be right back after a short break. So back na tayo sa ating ball game with 5 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. 1-point lead here by RMT against the Maranao team. Lumugda, who scored the leading basket Isik for 3. Bang! That's huge for RMT. So 4-point lead here for RMT. Mirato taking 3. Great pass. Kapampangan. Extra pass to Palawan. Against Asad. Palawan! That's a miss. Great defense by Braybon Thompson. Lumugda. Forward pass ito kay Asad against Calvin. That's a foul. Oh, offensive foul. Is called on Gilmar Asad. Dapat nag-focus nila si Asad doon sa kanyang layup but nahuli yung hawi. And that's 5th personal foul on Gilmar Asad. That's huge. So Makla is back in the ball game. So shoutout dito sa ating 241 viewers mga kaibigan. Ito na, Kapampangan against Janjan Lumugda. Kapampangan. Oh, tumila po doon si Lumugda. Power move by Kapampangan. No good. Loose ball. Hugas sa ball. It's Calvi. Calvi, what a hesitation move. Calvi lefty layup. Oh! What a shot by Harun Calvi. Over the outstretched arms of Janjan Lumugda. 2-point lead here for RMT. Maputol. The King Janjan Lumugda against Mirato. Lumugda nakawala and that's a foul.
Only foul jersey number 30, Mike Mirato. Then second personal foul. First team foul, Maranao.
So that's a foul. So first team foul for the Maranao team. So they can expose itong RMT ha. Penalty situation pa. First team foul pa ng Maranao team. Lumugda against Andor. Lumugda. Season opening. Isik wide open for 3. Almost. Loose ball in. Calvi has the ball. Calvi. Almost a steal. Kiss motion. Wala move na naman by Calvi. No good. And rebound here by Makla. Now Lumugda has the ball. Lumugda. Pass ito kay Maputol. Pass to Lumugda. Inside pass to Braybon Thompson. And that's a foul given up by Kapampangan. So Braybon Thompson will shoot 2 free throws with 3 minutes and 27 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. What a game! Only here at the Ramadan Basketball League 2026. So first free throw is no good for Braybon Thompson. And second free throw is good for Braybon Thompson. So 3-point lead only for the RMT. A chance to tie this ball game here or cut the single point if Maranao will make the basket here. Calvi. Yeah, who was the main man here? Mirato. Pas kay Andor. Kaya kay Mirato for 3. That's a miss. Great rebound by Braybon Thompson. Forward niya ito kay Maputol. Maputol against Calvi. Maputol. Extra pass to Isik. Bad pass. Great tap there by Calvi. Calvi has the ball. Calvi pass to Andor. Oh! Bad pass. Stolen here by Lumugda. Lumugda spins. Lumugda. What a pass. Pass ito kay Makla. No good. Rebound by Kapampangan. Pass ito kay Mirato. 2 against 3. Bigyan ito kay Andor. Balik kay Mirato. Fake. Wow. Bugs it in for 2. 1-point lead na lang for RMT. So, shout out there kay Boss Alma Michael Ducas, PM and North End by Beat Boom. Shout out si mga idol. So, wala ball game. Isik. Ito kay Lumugdag. Corner pass. Wide open si Makla for 3. That's short. And Maranao has the ball. Calvi has the ball here. Pass ito kay Mirato. Pass ito kay Andor. Balik kay Kapampangan. Kapampangan drives. And nako, that's an offensive foul. Diretso si Kapampangan. The defense is right there. But still, it's just a 1-point lead. With 2 minutes and 3 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. Maputol. Kick out pass to Isik. Long 3. No good. Andor with the rebound. Pasok kay Kapampangan. And a chance to take the lead now here for Maranao. Calvi. 1 minute and 40 seconds. 13 seconds to shoot here. Calvi has the ball. Ito kay Palawan. Palawan, kick out pass. Mirato for 3. No good. Loose ball. Mirato, pass ito kay Kapampangan. Spins. And that's a foul. Who's foul? It's on Kapampangan. So Kapampangan was called for a foul. So timeout is called by Maranao team. And we'll be right back after a short break. What a ball game. So we're back now sa ating ball game. So dagan ditang mga shoutouts there kay Team Lacos from Paupix, Pangkoga. Shoutout kay Samuel o Barangay Sirawan from Hapis, Musa Samuel. Shoutout kay Team Lacos dito sa Anramain from Paupix, Pangkoga. And shoutout kay Boss Poundaw Daya from Menko Mamong Kagara. So yan, shoutout sa inyo ha mga idol. So now, so we're back now to our ball game with 66-65, 1-point lead by RMT with 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. So Kapampangan will be sub out here by Monte. So 1-point lead only here. So RMT has the ball. Ito kay Janjan Lumugda. At ito kay Barahama for 3. That's a miss. Long rebound. Nakuha dito ni Maputol. Extra pass ng Barahama. Oh, loses the ball. Save it to Calvi. Pass to Monty. Mirato. And he scores. Maranao takes the lead. And timeout has been called here by Team RMT. With 1 minute remaining. 67-66. What a shot. And what a pass by Calvi! Is the instant replay there? Wow! Save and great presence of my Calvi. Forward pass dito kay Mirato for the easy 2. Lamang na ang Maranao team. And time has been called here. So we'll be right back after a short break. So we're back now to our ball game with 1 minute remaining. Maranao team leading by a single point, 67-66. Whining for penalty na rin ang Maranao. Penalty situation naman ang itong RMT. Barahama, pass ito kay Maputol against Mirato. Bigyan na screen ni Davon Thompson. Maputol drives. It's a 24-second shot clock violation. Naku! Miscommunication here for RMT. Walang nakabantay sa shot clock nila. That only 14 seconds remaining coming from a timeout. And a chance here for Maranao to add to their lead. They can attack the basket here. You just need to make sure they have a good possession here. Can they steal this ball game to the RMT? By dito taki the main man, Calvi. loses the ball against Janjan Lumugda. Bigay kay Monty. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds. 7 seconds. Pass ito kay Palawan. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Lose the ball. Ito na maputol. Kasi Monty. Barahamas maputol. He scores! Barahamas scores for RMT. And the lead is back now to RMT. 68-67 with 19.5 seconds remaining. Why? Bakit hindi pinasa ni Calvi yun? I was expecting he will take that shot but he passes intended to Monty. But it's fine. They still have the possession here with 19.5 seconds remaining. What a ball game. A time has been called here by the Maranao team. What will Mr. Abdullah Amiril will give to his team? And what a presence of mind here kay Brahma. Nakabawi si Brahma sa kanyang turnover kanina. Mr. Ripa here up against the outstretched arms of Monty. So shoutout daw sa atong soon to be mayor ng Marawi, APM. So shoutout sa mga. So Monty will inbound the ball here for Team Maranao. Along with Palawan, Calvi, Miratok, and Andor. Monty has the ball. Hindi pasa nito kay Calvi. Calvi nakawala. Pass to. Forward pass. Kaya maputol. And he scores! 3-point lead. Dito kay Calvi. Calvi for 3. No good. Loose ball. Pass dito kay Miratok for the tie. That's a miss. And rebound by Barama. And that ends our ball game. With a final score of 70-67, RMT escapes with a win. Ay, hindi pala counted yung dak-dak doon ni Mr. Maputol. Grabe. What a ball game. And what a game to close out our opening day ng Ramadan Basketball League 2026. And that's our final score. RMT 70, Maranao Tribe at 67. So RMT gets their first win of the tournament. So they will have the game again by tomorrow. So again, invite po tayo sa lahat po ng mga nanonood sa ating Facebook page. For whole week po ang ating tournament. Every day po until Friday, elimination games. Semifinals naman pagka Saturday and championship naman pagka Sunday. So only here sa Davao City Recreational Center or the Forminos Almendras Gym. So what a ball game. Ako din si Chris Iscaran and see you tomorrow sa ating next game sa ating Ramadan Basketball League 2026. So stay tuned.